Nerves are like tiny wires. They carry messages throughout our body. When these wires get damaged, our body can't communicate properly. This can cause pain, numbness, and weakness. Imagine not being able to feel a hug or taste your favorite food. Nerve damage is a serious condition. It can disrupt our lives in many ways. Simple tasks become difficult. Our mobility is affected. Even our emotions can be impacted. But there is hope. Nature provides us with powerful allies in our healing journey. Herbs, with their ancient wisdom, offer a natural path towards nerve repair. These natural healers can soothe inflammation, protect delicate nerve cells, and even stimulate nerve regeneration. Let's explore the world of these potent herbs and discover their potential in restoring our nerve health. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, occurs when nerves are injured or diseased. This can happen due to various reasons. Diabetes, injuries, infections, and even vitamin deficiencies can all lead to nerve damage. Depending on the location and severity of the damage, symptoms can vary. Some people experience tingling or numbness, others may feel sharp, shooting pain. Muscle weakness and loss of coordination are also common. Nerve damage can significantly impact our quality of life. It can limit our mobility, making it difficult to walk or perform daily tasks. It can also affect our senses, making us less aware of our surroundings. Living with nerve damage can be challenging, but it's important to remember that we're not alone. And importantly, there are steps we can take to manage the condition and promote nerve healing. For centuries, herbs have been used to address various ailments, including nerve damage. These natural remedies offer a gentle yet powerful approach to healing. Let's delve into some of the most effective herbs for nerve repair. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin is believed to protect nerve cells from damage and reduce inflammation, which can aid in nerve regeneration. St. John's wort. This herb, traditionally used for mood support, also shows promise in nerve repair. Studies suggest that St. John's wort can stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, a protein essential for nerve regeneration. Lion's mane mushroom. Don't let the name fool you. This mushroom is a powerhouse for nerve health. It contains compounds that can stimulate nerve growth factor and myelin sheath production, both crucial for nerve repair. Ginkgo Biloba. This ancient Chinese herb is known for its memory-boosting properties. But did you know it also benefits nerve health? Ginkgo Biloba improves blood flow, including to the nerves, and protects them from damage. These are just a few examples of nature's healing power. Each herb, with its unique properties, contributes to a holistic approach to nerve repair. Section 4. Scientific insights, evidence, and studies. While traditional use provides anecdotal evidence for the effectiveness of these herbs, modern science is catching up. Numerous studies explore the benefits of herbs for nerve repair. For instance, research on turmeric shows its active compound, curcumin, can reduce neuropathic pain and improve nerve function in people with diabetic neuropathy. Similarly, studies on St. John's wort demonstrate its ability to regenerate damaged nerves in animal models. Lion's mane mushroom, in preclinical studies, has shown to improve cognitive function and promote nerve regeneration. Ginkgo biloba, with its long history of use, has been studied extensively for its positive effects on nerve function, particularly in cases of diabetic neuropathy. These studies provide scientific backing to the traditional wisdom of using herbs for nerve health. While more research is always encouraged, the existing evidence strongly suggests the potential of these natural remedies. Section 5. Lifestyle choices for nerve health. While herbs play a vital role in nerve repair, it's equally important to adopt a holistic approach to health. Lifestyle choices can significantly impact nerve health and complement the benefits of herbs. Firstly, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients for nerve function. B vitamins in particular are crucial for nerve health. Secondly, regular exercise, even gentle forms like walking, improves blood flow and strengthens nerves. Managing stress through techniques like meditation or yoga can also benefit nerve health. Finally, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, as these habits can damage nerves. Section 6. Embracing natural healing for nerve repair. Nerve damage can be a challenging condition, but it doesn't have to define our lives. By embracing natural approaches to health, we can support our body's innate healing capabilities. Herbs, with their long history of medicinal use, offer a gentle and effective way to address nerve damage. From reducing inflammation to stimulating nerve regeneration, these natural healers can play a significant role in our journey towards recovery. Coupled with a healthy lifestyle, incorporating these herbs into our daily routine can empower us to take control of our nerve health and improve our overall well-being. Remember, nature provides us with the tools. It's up to us to utilize them wisely.